validated by the Bureau of Treasury, Your Honor, Mr. President. And then once validated, and then it will now be forwarded to DBM, Your Honor, Mr. President. So BIR, Treasury, and then DBM for release.
That's the current system. Yes.
Yes, that's correct, Your Honor.
Under the bill, ganun din.
But may mga prescribed days na.
Yes, it's the same, Your Honor, but now that there will be prescribed
Time periods.
periods.
Yun,
no?
na, yun,
Yes.
yun lang ang
That's
yun lang
different.
yun lang ang bali ang kinulang sa ngayon, sa sistema ngayon.
Yes, that's
Tama.
correct, Your Honor.
Tama po ba?
Given that kasi ang royalty is collected by MBB and usually they remit by the end of the year. So hindi
Kaya
ka
matagal.
excise tax ng quarterly.
MGB and the
royalty.
At present, Your Honor, Mr. President, MGB is the one collecting royalties, and then they only remit it at the end of the year. So kaya medyo matagal
Okay.
yung royalties. Ano yung quarterly?
Excise tax.
But the excise taxes, Your Honor, is quarterly. So yun po ang ano doon, yung royalty talagang end of the year.
With the royalty, with BIR collecting the royalty, masasabay na siya sa quarterly.
So with the BIR collecting the royalty under this proposal, it will now be simultaneous issuance of the certification for excise taxes, Your Honor, Mr. President, and royalty. So yung royalty and the excise taxes.
Okay, so current system, royalties collected by MGB, excise taxes collected by BIR. Current system. We are improving.
That's correct.
Yes, we are improving it in such a way that royalties will now be collected by the BIR and the same time excise taxes.
That is
So,
correct.
Okay, so yun. So kaya pala. Kaya
Delay, kaya matagal.
pala we can now make it faster.
Faster.
Apa,
Yes,
apa.
that's correct.
Thank you for that explanation, Mr. President. But what is clear is it's still a national government agency which is going to do the collection as well as the release of the amounts.
That is correct.
Kasi ang isang warning sa akin na umabot sa akin is we do not want an LGU capture by the mining company. So wala naman palang binago rin naman sa main flow chart or protocols. Kaya this should not be a concern that the LGU will be captured by the mining company, Mr. President.
So it's the LGU.
Sige po, Mr. President, can we now go to the number 6, which is the royalty payments to the indigenous peoples communities? Why is it phrased na not more than 2% of gross output? I think the previous interpellators also, or at least one of them, raised this, Mr. President. Meron na ba, i-amend po ba natin ito, how this is phrased?
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. President, actually the proposal is to make it not lower than 1%, so that the IP communities or organizations will have a better chance of getting or can maximize a bigger share so that they can negotiate better. So ilalagay na lang po natin to 1% minimum, Your Honor, Mr. President, instead of 2% maximum.
Yes, apa. Instead of ceiling, floor. Ang inano
Yes,
natin.
that's correct. It will be floors.
Yes. Pero nakakagulat po yun na sa pagsulat ng bill, ceiling ang naisip po natin. So,
Saan yung sa house yun?
mabuti po at na pumayag po ang ating sponsor na to make it a floor.
Yes, that is correct.
Sige. But what would be the rule on the upper end of the royalty payments?
Basta minimum 1%, no upper end.
Walang.
Ano ba pang
Your Honor, Your Honor, Mr. President, there will be no more ceiling. What is important is that the floor will be minimum 1%, and the IPs organization can negotiate. Yeah, either cash or non-cash. So, nasa kanila na pong agreement between the mining firm and the IPs. So, it can be cash or non-cash, Your Honor, Mr. President.
Okay. Sige po. So in effect, binabantayan natin ang interest ng IP communities actually.
That is correct, Your
Na
Honor.
kahit na may anong tawag mo doon, imbalance of negotiating power or asymmetric power power relationship, by law bawal masyadong i-take advantage ang IP na bababa ka sa 1%. 1% of what ito? 1% of
1% of gross revenue, Your Honor, Mr. President.
So good.
That will be a large amount, Your Honor, Mr. President.
Ano example po nito, Mr. President?
Revenues.
Let's give an example para
For example, baka ng mining.
makita natin. Tapos i-apply natin si 1% para makita natin na yun yung floor. Protected by law na makukuha ng IP communities natin. Can we get a real life example?
Real example.
NCIP, IP royalties.
Meron tayong example. Yes, Your Honor, Mr. President, they're just trying to look for the
308 million to 15 IP groups.
2018, 2018 yan no, data, 300.
sa 15 AP group.
IP groups.
Iba-iba.
Iba-iba.
Your Honor, Mr. President, they don't have a sample. However, just to give you an idea, in 2018, ito po yung EITI country report. Of the participating companies reportedly paying a total of 308.9 million to 15 IP groups, Your Honor, Mr. President. So 308 million for 15 IP groups as their share in royalty for the mining operations.
So on a per agreement yun, ano? Yes, but walang safety feature noon, safety net na 1% na being of the floor. So
Wala pa tong 1%.
kung meron, kunyari meron, ano mangyayari?
Ano, walang 1%.
Minimum 1%.
This is the current status quo, Your Honor, Mr. President. Minimum 1% din pala ito.
Kasi tagti 20 million lang yun ha, kung tutusin 300 million to 15 IP communities, tagti 20 million ang nakuha nila. Is that annually nakukuha nila? Is that
Annually, Your Honor.
So, Mr. President, hindi pala maganda if we are just mentioning 1% as the floor. Iyan naman palang what is being done now. Is it possible, Mr. Sponsor, Mr. President, to improve the floor?
Pwede may non-cash.
1%.
Your Honor, Mr. President, aside from the cash that they would be getting out of the royalty, there is still non-cash items, no? Depends on the negotiation between the mining corporation and the...
What are the rules on the non-cash, Mr. President? Itong 1% is the rule on cash. Is that correct, Mr. President? Klaruhin natin para mas naintindihan po natin.
Ano ba yung mga binibigay natin? Parang SMD kayo.
The 1% is the rule on cash, or
Yes,
the 1% is the rule on all the benefits that they will give to the IP community.
That is only for the cash.
Yes.
So-
Kaya nga ayoko munang pumunta sa non-cash. Let us now focus on the rule on the cash.
960.
Your Honor, Mr. President, what I mentioned earlier was 2018. Nasaan yung amount? Where's the amount?
Kanina, sir. The amount is 960.
But here is the this is the latest to 2021 po. Yung kanina po 300 million for 15 IP communities. But in 2021, 17 projects they were able to collect about 960 million to IP royalties. So medyo halos nag-triple po nung
So divided by 17
2021.
ba yun? 17 projects.
17. Yeah.
Kaya nga, a project equals one IP community. Ganun po ba
That
yun?
is correct.